And we're here at the Greater Norristown NAACP's booth here at the block party for Norristown's 4th of July event. And I'm here with John Milligan, and we're going to ask him just a few questions about the organization and find out some more about events that are coming up, so stay tuned. John, can you tell me a little bit about the work that the Norristown NAACP is working on?
Wow. So we're working on quite a few things. So we have with us the chair of our committee for the Unity Day event that we're going to be hosting on September the 21st. That's probably the biggest event that we are planning within the next few months. But I also want people to understand that we're also doing a lot in the community, working with our police department. You know, we have a good relationship with our police department, and in light of a lot of the events that's transpired in the past few weeks, past few months, we're working to tighten that relationship also. We're also doing a lot of additional events. We have a student scholarship program. We just had that event a few weeks ago, and we're doing other events where we're trying to bring in more youth into our program.
Can you tell me how folks can get in touch with Greater Norristown NAACP?
So I would like for you, if I could...
Call Chris over?
Yes.
So why don't I do this? Chris will come over, and while Chris is coming over, I'll sit down with Renee, and I'll chat real briefly about the Unity event. And then when Chris gets over here, I'll grab him. Okay. Hey, you following me? Track me down.
Hey, Chris.
Okay. Hey, this is the first time all day I've sat down, so you are my favorite person. So, Renee, can you tell me a little bit about what this Unity Day event is?
Well, what happened is we thought about how do we bring the Norristown community together and show people that we are a great community to live and work in. And how do you do that? We started brainstorming, and we thought, okay, we'll start off with a 5K run walk, and it'll start on Harding Boulevard. We'll end it up in Elmwood Park. And instead of just walking and running and ending in the park, we said this is a great opportunity to have a Unity Day. And what we'll do is we'll celebrate the cultural diversity within our community and show people that when we come together, we are stronger as a community. And it's just a way to celebrate our cultural foods, our arts and crafts, just a day of entertainment that highlights the different cultures of our community. And that's what we're all about. And it's going to be important that people and businesses in the community step up to the plate and help us, because we need funds. In order to bring these kind of programs to the community, we need the support of our business community and religious leaders and legal leaders and everything. So all they have to do is go to the NAACP site, and all the information is right there. And what's really important is we would like all the organizations, businesses, come out and walk with us, show unity that day, so that letting people know we are stronger together.
That's great. You know, I love the fact you're using the word unity and diversity all at once. So often people use the word diversity to separate us. And I love that the NAACP has this focus on trying to bring people together, and that's really spectacular. When is the Unity event?
September 21st. The race starts at 8:30 in the morning. You can pre-register right online, and it's all kind of spelled out for you on our website. So all I can say is bring families, neighbors, everybody out to support us. And if you don't want to do the whole 5K walk, we're going to have a special family walk in the zoo. And then that day also, we've partnered with the zoo, and they're going to give us a free day at the zoo. So families can come out, celebrate with us, and then go to the zoo and have a nice day with their kids.
Sounds like a spectacular event. I'm sure we'll do another interview about it. I'm going to find out one last thing about the NAACP, but thank you, and I hope folks get themselves to register or join. Hey, Chris, I need contact information. Can you tell folks how they can get in touch with members of or the NAACP Greater Norristown Group?
I sure can. So on Instagram, we are the NAACP Norristown. That's NAACP Norristown. At Twitter, we're at the same thing, NAACP, NAACP Norristown. Facebook, Greater Norristown NAACP. Our Gmail is NorristownPA, NAACP @gmail.com. And our phone number is 484-393-5052.
I just want to say that Chris is the master of technology here, as you obviously just saw. And so all of the old folks, us here, we immediately abandon our support to him to give that out. So you should have seen those things flash across the bottom of the screen. We hope you will become a part both of the Phi K event, the Unity event, and also make sure that you contact the NAACP and support them. They're a powerful and important member of our community. Thanks for watching.